In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize company SOPs in ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a clean, repeatable structure for your company's standard operating procedures, so everyone knows where to find the latest process and how to keep it up to date. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and logging in. Either works the same way for what we're doing today. If your workspace is busy, don't worry. We're going to carve out a dedicated home for SOPs so they never get lost among day-to-day tasks. Create a new space and name it Company SOPs. Think of a space as a container for everything related to your documentation. Keeping SOPs in their own space makes it easier to manage permissions, reporting, and visibility later, and it prevents process documents from being mixed with operational work. Inside that space, create folders to organize by department or function. For example, add an operations folder and an HR folder. This top-level structure helps teams go straight to the section that matters to them, and it sets you up to scale as more departments add their own SOPs. Within each folder, create 3 lists to manage the lifecycle of your documents. Active SOPs for the current, in-use processes, drafts for SOPs that are being created or updated, and archived for anything outdated or retired. This simple split eliminates confusion about which version to follow and gives you a clear place to stage changes before they go live. Now add a task for each SOP document you need. Create tasks like employee onboarding, expense reporting, customer support process, and marketing campaign workflow. Each task becomes the home for that SOP. Use the task's description area for the step-by-step content and attach any references, screenshots or forms so everything lives in one place. If you need ClickUp, you'll find the website link and download options right at the top of the description. Go ahead and grab it there so you can follow along. To track these documents clearly, add fields such as priority, assignee, due date, and status. Priority highlights what needs attention first, assignee shows who owns updates, and due date helps you schedule reviews. The status field will reflect progress at a glance. Set up your task statuses as to do, in progress, and completed. As you draft, review, and finalize SOPs, move the tasks through these stages so anyone can tell exactly where a document stands. Finally, monitor everything in list view for a compact spreadsheet-like overview, or switch to board view for a visual, column-based workflow. Either way, you'll see what's active, what's in draft, and what's archived in seconds. That's it. You now have a ClickUp system to organize company SOPs efficiently, making it easy to manage documentation and keep processes consistent. Thanks for watching.